Welcome to iTech tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to inscribe 3 circles in a triangle. To inscribe 3 circles in a triangle, the first thing to do is to draw the triangle. In this video, I will draw an equilateral triangle. I have already started drawing my triangle by drawing a horizontal line. I will label the horizontal line AB. The next step I will take is to bisect line AB. I will do so using a compass with radius equal to line AB. I will draw lines from point A and point B. The 2 lines must meet at the point where the arcs intersect. Label the point where the 2 lines meet C. Next, I will draw 2 arcs placing my compass on point A and point B respectively. I will bisect angle A. I will also bisect angle B. I will draw the bisectors of angle A and angle B to meet at a point. I will draw a line from point C. This line must pass through where the bisectors of angle A and B intersect, and also the line should touch line AB. The point where the line touch line AB should be labeled D. I will bisect 1/2 of angle B. I will draw the bisectors to intersect line CD. I will label the point where the line intersects line CD1. I will repeat the same procedure for the other half of angle B. I will number the point I obtain to. I will also repeat the same procedure for the upper half of angle A. I will number the point I obtain 3. All of these steps, it is time to inscribe the circles in the triangle. To inscribe the circle in the triangle, I will draw 3 circles of radius 1d. These circles should be drawn placing the compass on point 1, 2, and 3. I have successfully inscribed 3 circles in triangle ABC. You can always follow these easy steps to inscribe 3 circles in any given triangle. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section. Please subscribe to this channel. Also let us know your opinion and how you feel about this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. See you in my next video.